In this video, you'll learn how to log in Gmail without verification code. First, make sure you're connected to the internet. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Add another account. Choose Google from the list. Now, enter your Gmail address and tap Next. After that, type your password and tap Next again. If your login details are correct, you'll be signed in successfully. Important explanation, very important. Whether you're asked for a verification code depends on your account security settings. If two-factor authentication, 2FA, is off, you may be able to log in using just your email and password. If 2FA is on, you will always be asked for a verification code sent to your phone, email, or authentication app. This is a security feature by Google to protect your account from unauthorized access. So, there is no safe or official way to bypass verification if it is enabled. And that's how Gmail login works, including when verification codes are required. Keeping security features like two-factor authentication enabled is highly recommended to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.